Conservationists are now realising they have to take into consideration the effects their action is having on local human populations. Conservation programmes that gain people's support tend to have long-term sustainability.
In the Democratic Republic of Congo, there is an ongoing conservation project called Community-Centred Conservation. The partnership is working in a 7.4 million acre conservation corridor. The idea of this is to start protecting the 5,000 eastern lowland gorillas and the 15,000 chimpanzees that live there. Despite the high ecological and biodiversity value, this region is experiencing severe conservation crisis due to agricultural expansion, high levels of subsistence hunting, bushmeat extraction, and exotic animal trade, and also other mining activities. As well as looking after the animals within the area, anthropologists are also involved in keeping local communities educated about the area to make sure that it stays this way.
Sustainable Livelihood Project Growing Hope in Uganda was a 3-year project that ended in April 2013. This project aimed to improve the health, well-being and livelihoods of local people while simultaneously conserving and restoring habitat for the wild chimpanzee populations. The project focuses on 700 households while recreating forest resources which will be mutually advantageous for both humans and chimpanzees. The well-being of humans, chimps and the environment are equally considered in the project, as an example where anthropology and conservation can be mutually inclusive.
The Jane Goodall Institute has worked with other conservation experts, non-government organisations and government representatives in the Kigoma region of Tanzania to preserve the Greater Gombe ecosystem. This is in order to benefit biodiversity, natural resources and contribute to sustainable human livelihoods. The ecosystem is the site of Jane Goodall's revolutionary study of chimpanzees, which impacted many scientific disciplines, including human evolution and anthropology. However, the ecosystem is threatened by expansion of human settlements and agriculture, a lack of land use planning and conservation, as well as the deliberate killing of chimpanzees by humans. To meet the needs of locals while maintaining the ecosystem, the Jane Goodall Institute has developed strategies such as developing land use plans in partnership with local communities, raising public awareness of conservation goals, and promoting human-chimpanzee peaceful coexistence, as well as providing training and resources for sustainable farming.
In conclusion, yes, anthropologists and conservationists work together, but in some cases they want fundamentally different things. Conservationists want to conserve habitat and natural resources, whereas local people may rely on these resources and habitat for their way of life, not just for food or to make shelter, but for other rituals and possibly traditional medicine or magic.